Winter marketing ideas for staying busy in the wintertime for carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, area rug cleaning, pressure washing, maid services, all types of cleaning businesses. These are ideas, some of them adapted from my winter marketing plan, which I'll put the link to below this video. Winter can be tough, so I'm going to give you some tips on how you can stay busy in winter. We're going to talk about ideas to get brand new clients coming in, and we're also going to talk about ideas on getting past clients to call you back more often, because the fact of the matter is your past clients don't remember you if you don't market back to them. Any marketing guru, any marketing author, anybody that knows anything about marketing will tell you, first and foremost, market back to your past clients, and especially in the cleaning business, start with that. But we're going to talk about both. So first, let's talk about past clients. One of the best things that you can do in the new year is to send them something, wishing them a happy new year, getting into their lives, into their family, into their home, thanking them for their business for the last year, and wishing them a happy new year. They love this type of stuff. And then you're also staying in front of them, branding yourself, and they're going to remember you. Now, the other thing that I highly recommend that you do is put some type of a special offer here. Now, the special offer, don't get bogged down with what you feel like using. It's your company. Do whatever offer you want to do. But I always like to give an offer that was, especially this time of year, if it's the slowest time of year for you in the winter, you might want to give your best special offers of the entire year. So this is one of the times where we would give 2 free gifts, and those gifts would be usually small trials of a couple of our different kinds of services, and they wouldn't be off of for my case, we had a carpet cleaning company, so I wouldn't give a discount off of carpet cleaning, but I would off of small area rug cleaning, or off of tile cleaning, and or car mat cleaning, or things like that, but different free small trials so that they can try all my different services, and I would usually require a minimum to come out. I wouldn't come out for free and just give the 2 free gifts. So there would be an expectation for a certain amount of cleaning, but they would get these. But this is a really smart idea, and it really promotes bigger job tickets and it helps people to pick up the phone and call you when they might not have called you at all throughout the entire winter. And if you want jobs coming in, do it. But we're doing these cards. We either do 5.5 by 8.5 inch cards or 4 by 6 inch cards. And we're doing 1,000 of these, printing up for our members for about $67, $2,500 for $113, $5,000 for $178. But then we're also doing the smaller 4 by 6 inch postcards for quite a bit less money, but do them. You can do these for as little as 30 cents a postcard to remind your past clients. Well worth it. And the other things that we do are offers like this, where we just flat out have an offer. We let them know that it's the beginning of the year. Start with a clean, healthy home. Give them 2 free gifts. Again, whatever gifts that you want to do are fine, but just keep in mind, I recommend that you cross-promote and tell about all of the other different services that you do when you do this type of an offer. And we would also give, in this case, 50% off of certain select things, not off of any of our real services, but off of extras. We would do 50% off leather cleaning during the winter sometimes. We would do 50% off fabric protection just on area rugs or just on furniture. Obviously, you would be getting furniture cleaned and area rugs cleaned too. So you see how this promotes bigger job tickets. It's about cross-promoting, selling, in a time of year where if you need the business, you got to do what you got to do and have the best special offers, the genuine best special offers during certain times of the year when you have these slowdowns. I also recommend that you take those same offers, those same graphics, the same messages, and put them into your email newsletters. This is an email newsletter that we've got where you just pop the graphic in and copy and paste the text in and send the same exact offer via email. Also the same thing on your Facebook page. Maybe even run an ad based on this same thing on your Facebook page. Also, selling your other services. If you're doing a lot of tile and grout cleaning, vinyl floor cleaning, any type of hard cleaning, hardwood floor cleaning, this is a great time of year to promote that. People are sometimes more likely to get this stuff done if, and I stress if, you give them a good offer for it. Because the problem too with January and February are that people have spent a lot of money from Christmas, and a lot of businesses are just kind of slow right now. So you need to come up with some special offers, some special things. Let them know that this is a great time to get these things done and then get the big job tickets off of these. And also air duct cleaning, same type of thing. This is a client that I helped out with an offer where he's giving 50% off of air duct cleaning if they book any carpet cleaning or vice versa. But basically, one of them is being done at full regular price during the winter and only during the winter. None of these offers are for all year. They're just for winter. So he's giving them that special offer. If they call, they pay full price for the one service, they get half off of the second service. So it's a really neat special, and also some tidbits and recommendations on education on air duct cleaning and why it's important and that type of thing. But this is a client mailer, also an EDDM postcard to select neighborhoods. This is another great one that's for neighbors, giving the same type of a special offer, cross-promoting, telling them this is a slower time of year, so we've got the best special offers. We don't send these offers out all year long, guys. This is just during certain times. But yes, the big thing I always get asked about these things, how can I get these mailed out? We do work closely with a mail house and our printer that can mail these out for you for as little as 29 cents for postage. And also EDDMs can be mailed. You can mail those yourself, or you can even use the mail house that we use for anywhere between 15 and 18.5 cents per postage for Every Door Direct Mail. This is an example of a bigger Every Door Direct Mail piece postcard that we've just done for area rug cleaning, where we give a special offer for area rug cleaning. Buy 2 rugs, get 1 clean free, or even however you decide to do it, or even buy 1 rug, get another rug clean free. And again, only during the winter do we do special offers like this, but this type of thing is great, especially if you know of certain neighborhoods that have a lot of hardwood floor that have a lot of area rug cleaning. So I also recommend, here's a really big kind of revelation. Postcards are great. We do a lot of postcards, but letters, sales letters, actually get a better response almost all the time. And the reason being, you don't get a lot of sales letters. You might get a little bit more postcards, not even that many from a local business, but really sales letters are very, very rare. And you can tell a bigger story. You can have a 2 or 3 page or even more letter with a brochure and or a gift card and a card inside of the letter. But these have been really great offers. Several of my clients that have ran this offer have gotten some of the best returns that they've ever gotten off of sending some of these letters out with special offers geared toward the wintertime. This is one specific for tile, marble, and hardwood floor cleaning, kind of similar to the same offer on the postcard that we just looked at. What might be good too is to give a combination of the letter and then the postcard following that after you send the letter. Also, don't forget about commercial cleaning. Commercial, right now, commercial businesses still need to get cleaning done. Property managers, hotels, doctors' offices, lawyers' offices, all of these people still need your service. So this is a great time. A lot of the times our budgets are clearing up at the beginning of the year. And if you have time, go and market after commercial. And again, one of the best ways to do that is with a good sales letter. Now, if you notice too, a lot of the times with these letters, we're using a handwriting font. We usually print them with colored ink so that it almost looks like it's handwritten. You don't have to do it that way. You can print it with like a typewriter font or even just a regular font, but it's something that's kind of catchy. It's kind of different. A lot of the times too, we'll use just different various things inside of the envelope just to catch attention. That's really the big thing with this. Get that honed in, targeted list, and then catch attention. Keep in mind, yes, we can do this for you if you want some of this stuff done for you. Our mail house can do it for you. Our printer can do it for you as well, depending on how you need it done. We've got a couple of different options. When you do this type of stuff, and the winter is very important, all year long it's very important to build up your brand, you'll be able to get more referrals, more frequent cleanings, and higher job tickets. Do this stuff, guys. If you need business now, do this stuff. All the templates that I've shown you here in these ads and the designs are available. If you see a design that you like, just let me know. They're all part of my ad coaching club as well, and we can help you get this stuff done. We give you the templates, but not only that, help you facilitate the mailings. We help you get this stuff done. So for more information, go to hitmanadvertising.com/coaching or give us a call at 850-474-1110.